Want to know how to keep your parts clean? Today, we are so excited to introduce you to the industrial cleaning machine. Please follow the camera to have a peek. The name of the machine is called WP1200 and its temperature heating system has two modes. One is daily and two is appointment. The daily mode controls the temperature automatic during work, and the temperature mode heating on a specific date to suit individual needs. It's suitable for industrial engines, oil pumps, and transmission or cleaning process. Open the door. Inside of the machine is made of 304 stainless steel, which is very strong and durable. And put your parts on the warehouse tray and close the door. Touch the screen, set the time you want it, and the tray will rotate 360 degrees. The noodles spray the cleaning agent. And when the cleaning is done, the steam will be removed by the misting systems, and then the door can be opened. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. You can also send me DM